If you want to have a flat stomach, if you want to have a nice butt, if you want to have nice legs, if you want to have nice arms, if you want to have a nice back, it's another story. For that you really have to do the extra mile to get there. And for how long are you planning to actually maintain that body? Are you planning to maintain that body for your whole life? Are you willing to exercise 3 to 4 times? Increasing your weightlifting as you go along, when there is pains, when you're going into a divorce, which I'm not wishing this to anybody, I'm just saying in case that it happens, when your finances are not where it's supposed to be, when you have problem with at work, when there is things happening in life that you know it happens, are you willing to continue pushing? Are you willing to continue moving forward? Are you willing to continue into your program?